In this video I will show you the first steps for order flow trading. My name is Andre, I'm a professional trader and I get a lot of questions about how to start with order flow trading, how to start to trade future contracts. And yeah, I make this video to answer your questions and show you step by step how it works. We will go through the topics to detect sections, which platform you can use, how to install the platform, how to configure the platform, which broker you can use, and how to get the data feed. So which platform you can use? From my experience, I personally know two very good platforms. The first one is Sierra Chart. It's a very cheap order flow platform. You can subscribe to this platform with a small amount of money per month, or you buy a yearly license. Also recommended is order flow trading ATAS, Advanced Times and Sales software. This is a completely new interface here, and from my experience the software ATAS is more user-friendly than Sierra Chart, but ATAS is more expensive, and a Sierra Chart overall got more functions. In this video I will show you ATAS. You can try it for free, this software, 40 days. You will find the link in the description below, or on my website. I will also link my website in the description below, where you can find another information. So you can download the software here and install it. Then we go to the interface. You can start the software here. For me personally, I got a lifetime license, and I type in my login details, choose the server auto. You could choose the different servers. My workspace is a sample workspace, I let it so, and I click connect. So now the software is connecting to the ATAS servers, and the interface is opened here. So this is the trading interface from ATAS. You can see here above different functions. You can open a new chart. I will show you that later. You can open a spreadsheet, tick cluster, smart tapes, order book, smart DOM, and see here all the trading logs. But first of all, what's important to know if you want to start with order flow trading, I get a lot of questions about this, because you always need a data feed from the stock exchange to trade real futures on the stock exchange. This is very important. You need these data feeds, so you can find different data feeds on the internet which provide you different datas. And you see here now it shows feed source offline. If you click here, we have to click here, add a data feed. We need the data for our charts. So here are the different providers for the data feed. Personally, I recommend to try it with a free data feed. You can, for example, use the CTS data feed here and just create a demo account. Where it is, you can click here, free demo, and can sign up here. Then you get login details, and you can log in here on the data feed function with CTS. You click here and next, and so you log in with the data. Really, I don't know how long this. It's a 2-week trading simulator. You see it here. And you only can trade sim with it. If you want to trade with real money, you have to book a data feed over a futures broker. This is very important to know. So I recommend it for any trader to book a data feed here about a broker, open a brokerage account. For example, you can use AP or Dormant Trading. Both are very good brokers. and you sign up with it. You open your account, you deposit some money on it, and yeah, just book the data feed with the broker. You get your login details from the broker, and you can sign in the platform here, as I showed you. Okay, then you can start trade live with the software. Or you want to trade like Forex, or you want to trade CFDs, or just use this software for analysis, you can open the brokerage account, or you can always open a demo data feed with some data feed providers. This is also possible. Okay, let's start it. If you connect it, you will see that the connection is okay. I will do that. I will register here, for example, and then we go on. See you in 2 minutes. So I will sign in now. I created the CTS data feed. I choose it here, click next. Need to choose my login. And copy my password and type it in here. So now you see it's disconnected. You can click here, connect. And now it's connected automatically. I recommend to check in here, connect on startup, so you don't have to do it manually. And we see our feed source is connected, so we got real data from the stock exchange. What's also important to know is that not any asset is available. You see here, for example, here's the website of the CME group. You see which markets are traded on the CME exchanges. And yes, if you want to trade European stocks or commodities or so what, you have to sign up for a special data feed offer from the provider, but you can check it if you signed up with the broker here. You can check it if you want to trade European markets, Australian markets, and so on. So that's not so difficult, but you need to know it. So I'm logged in here, and now we will get into the software. You can choose here. For example, I open the Smart DOM. Here you see now different favorite markets. If you click on all instruments, you see here the different instruments like Forex, Amex, different stock exchanges, equity indexes, energy products, interest rates. And yeah, what I will do here, I want to open the equity index and open the E-mini S&P 500. Another good function of ATAS is that you can choose here the contract. I use continuous, so it's automatically rolled over here, and I click on open. So now I can see here the direct market with the order book, and it works very good. Here you see the bid, the ask, like I wrote on my webpage. My webpage is linked in the description below for getting more information about this order book, how to trade it. And yeah, you can start trading here with your SIM account. I'm logged in the demo account, and you can trade without risk. This is for order execution and liquidity. I recommend to use it here. And now we want to open a chart. Here's the S&P 500. You can also use here, and click on open. Now we see that the chart is open here. This is the S&P 500. So this software is very, very user friendly in my opinion. We can directly change here some settings for you. I will show you the basics in this video. How to change the chart. If you want to zoom in, you press STRG, and as I mean control, it's control in English, and you can zoom in here. You see directly the footprint chart. Yeah, if you want to change the normal chart in the footprint chart, just zoom in and you will see it. This is a very, very nice function of the software. That's why it's so user-friendly. So what we can do here now, we can attach the chart trader. You'll see here all the options you can choose for trading. You can see here our demo account. You can choose the different contracts you want to trade, for example, with one contract. You can use here exit strategy and so on. And yeah, we want to do now here a little bit of chart customizations. I go through this here short. You see here the symbol, and you can change here, for example, into different charts like the range chart. I take 4 range chart, for example. It's a little bit slow today. Now I'm in the range chart. You see the different chart type. And yeah, we can change it very easy here with this function here. Also, you can configure your own settings. Like if you don't want to use 8 range chart, you can use 5 range chart. All what you want can you configure here. And for example here, the volume profile, we don't need it really. I don't need it on the side here. I use it on time based, so I hide this function. You can just use here the functions and like drawing tools, what you want here, and just click through these functions and get familiar with this software. So what's important here, if you click here on this little symbol, we can change here something. Yeah, this is important for chart settings. Crosshair, we can change here the colors. We can change here the axis. We can change all here what we want. I want to hide this this white lines in the here is a function. I want to hide this in the background because I don't need it. So just click here and yeah, you can customize it like you want. For the footprint chart, you have to go to the cluster settings here and see it here. You can change it, yeah, with the background color like this here, if you want to show it otherwise. And so it's very easy to use, in my opinion, and you can customize it like you want. You can show the value area, you can show the VPOC if you want, you can don't show the VPOC if you want. And if you go below here, you can add some imbalances here. So that means the software will show you which bid and asks are very hard. And now I will show you one of my templates. For example, I use this footprint plus value. If I load it here, so let's have a look. This is an old template of mine. So this is my footprint chart. For example, you see here the imbalances, the footprint VPOC chart, and if we zoom out, we can see the value area, value area high, VPOC of the day, and value area low. So how to add indicators? Just do a right click and choose here indicators. You see here different order flow indicators. Yeah, I added the market profiles. This is a volume profile. Yeah, we can do some settings here. Let's have a look. So we can blind it in. Yeah, this is a volume profile. I don't want to show it. And yeah, you can all do what you want here in these settings. Yeah, here are cumulative delta volumes, and if you, for example, if I click here, you see the volume. Here are the functions you can use. Yeah, this is very functional software. For example, use cluster search. This is also a nice indicator. If I add it here, cluster search, you can search for volume, you can search for bit, you can search for ticks, and yeah, type in the minimum value, and the software will automatically mark it here with a pink box. You can change the color if you want. This is a very nice indicator, like the order flow indicator big trades. It's like the same. You can show the biggest volume in the chart. Though this indicator, it takes a little bit time to load here. Why it don't show up today, or the volume is today very low. That can be, but I don't think so. Why it don't show up? It's very interesting. Okay, this, I don't know why it show up. Let's have a look on the other template. Maybe it's because of the 4 range chart. Okay, here it shows up. Yeah, now this looks a very little bit wide. Here you see, yeah, no, this is it not? It's not the right template. I will go here, now here. I don't know why it's don't show up. The big trade indicator, I want to show you that. Okay, maybe it takes a little bit time. I don't know why it don't show up today. Okay, let's have a look on how to trade here. If I want to trade here, just click on buy market and you are
order
in.
filled.
With the demo account, you see here your order, and you can close this order by clicking here.
Order filled.
Or just use the chart trader. You can use right click, or naturally you can use the order book for trading. Yeah, it's very simple, and I showed you some details of the order flow trading software ATAS, how to start with it, how to get it ready to start trading, and if you got more questions, just write it in the comments below. Click on my website, there you will find more tutorials to order flow trading. Just go through the different indicators and yeah, learn how it works. So on YouTube you will find another content creators and so on who like to show you that. See you in the next video, and if you want to know more, just hit me up. See you and goodbye. Okay, now the big trade indicator is working. You see it here, the white circles. The indicator shows you automatically where's the highest volume traded, for example here at the top, on the middle, or here at the bottom. This is a very nice indicator, and yeah, you can use it for trading spot reversals or spot breakouts. For example, here's a nice breakout and the market goes up with very high volume. That's all what I wanted to show you. It takes a little bit time to load this indicator, so it can be 1 or 2 minutes. See you in the next video. Goodbye.